So we are here getting ready to shoot Claire of Fashion Bomb Daily in some of the ReVive collection pieces. The ReVive collection is a curation of bomb-ass fashion pieces from all over the world. I have some pieces that came from France, some pieces that came from Mexico, and we decided to throw together a really great collection of pieces in honor of our ReVive retreat coming up this August. Yes, really love this collection. We're shooting a teaser of the ReVive collection, which will be coming to Fashion Bomb Shop. Just wrapped a quick teaser shoot for the ReVive collection. So you guys know the ReVive retreat is coming up in August. We're so excited that I'll edit that. I'm so excited. Look, we're just excited, that's all. No, that we decided to do a collection for it. So this is the ReVive collection. This is just a little quick teaser of what's to come. Thank you, Claire, for hosting.
I am so excited. I love Tulum. I think it's going to be a wonderful experience.
It's going to be so bomb.
Educational, empowering, just fantastic.
Investing. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're doing. That's what 2019 is about, is investing our coin. And we'll see you there, and hope you enjoy this footage.